Before you begin, remove the top cover, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and GPU fan. Removal. Note, the heatsink has numbers adjacent to the following 4 screws. Loosen the 4 captive T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink to the MXM graphics card in numerical order. Lift the heatsink straight up and off the MXM graphics card and remove it from the chassis. Replacement. Using an alcohol swab, carefully remove the thermal grease from the heatsink and GPU. Apply new thermal grease to the GPU. Inspect the thermal pads on the heatsink to ensure they are properly positioned. If one is torn or otherwise damaged, it needs to be replaced. Align the screws on the heatsink with the screw holes in the MXM graphics card and place the heatsink into position over the GPU. Tighten the 4 T15 Torx head screws that secure the heatsink to the MXM graphics card in numerical order.